Hey guys, my name is Alex and today I'm going to share with you how to easily fake a salon blowout without using a blow dryer or a round brush. It's really quick and simple, you guys. I promise anybody can do it and it turns out just as good as a salon blowout, if not better. So let's go ahead and get started. For the tools, all you need is a hair straightener. I love NUME's Silhouette Straightener. It's so easy to use. And I believe it's the most affordable straightener that NUME offers, and it has all of the features that you should look for in a straightener, like temperature control. I obviously had to get the hot pink one, but this also comes in black. You guys know how much I love NUME's products. I've been recommending them for years, and I'm so grateful that they have partnered up with me for this video. And if you do decide to pick up the Silhouette Straightener, don't forget to use the coupon code ALEX to save yourself 20% off site-wide. I will list all of the details in the description. So I washed my hair this morning and I let it air dry, which took forever, but if I'm using hot tools on my hair, then I like to skip out on blow drying. So I'm gonna set my straightener to about 260 degrees, but do remember everybody's hair is different and you don't want to use excess heat on your hair if you don't have to. So what I'd suggest is taking about a 1-inch piece of hair, turn your hair straightener to a low heat setting, and then just straighten that piece of hair and slowly increase the heat until that piece of hair comes out straight. But I find usually around 250 degrees is the sweet spot. So I'm going to work in about 1-inch sized sections, and you want to run your straightener from root to tip, and I'm just turning it about 45 degrees away from my face, and this should only take one pass. And then at the bottom, I'm twisting about 90 degrees, but you can rotate more if you want more of a curl. And then you want to roll this section. So starting at the bottom, roll your ends under and try to maintain a small circular shape. And then using these little alligator clips or bobby pins, you just want to pin the curl to your head. So again, place the straightener right at your root and turn it 45 degrees away from your face, and then slide the straightener down the section. And once you're near your ends, twist your straightener a little bit more to create a soft curl. And what's happening is the straightener is delivering even and gentle heat to the hair, and then by rolling the hair up, we're allowing it to set in a curl similar to how it would set if we were using a round brush. And if you're short on time in the morning, you can always do these the night before as well and just sleep with a hairnet in your hair. Another reason why I love styling my hair like this is because the heat from the straightener smooths the hair's cuticle, which makes my hair look so shiny and polished. These plates are the perfect width. They're 1 1/8 inch, which is great for long hair. I'm not sure if you've ever had issues with your hair slipping out of your straightener, but you won't have to worry about that happening with this one. And then same thing on this side, and just go nice and slow so that all of the hair gets evenly heated. Usually I would do this before I do my makeup. You really want these to set as long as possible, but if you are in a really big rush, you can also use your blow dryer on the cool setting and just set them really quickly that way. I can't wait for you guys to try this out. I promise people are gonna think you got a salon blowout. You have to comment and let me know if they do. The ends are being stubborn on that one. And if it helps, I always hold my hair straightener in my dominant hand. And for the back sections, I just pull them forward, but if you have a friend around, you could always ask them to help you. That actually reminds me of college. My friends would always ask me to help them with their hair, and I loved to, but by the time I was done, it'd be time to go out and I'd have no time to do my own hair. Does that happen to you guys? So there we have it. These don't need to be perfect. The most important thing is that you have that angle as you're straightening them and that you pin them up in this circular shape. So you want to let these set and cool for at least 10 minutes. Like I said earlier, go do your makeup, have some lunch, and then come back and we'll take these out. So although I'm really loving this look right now, it's time to take out our clips and reveal our big, voluminous faux blowout. Once all your clips are removed, just check for any stragglers. I always find bobby pins in my hair throughout the day, but you just want to focus on shaking out the roots to help separate your hair. And then I like to just kind of zhuzh the ends by rubbing them in between my fingertips, make them look even bigger and more voluminous. So there we have it, you guys. So quick and easy, and it's hard to see, but like, look at the ends. Look how pretty it looks. I'm so happy. You guys, I can't stop touching my hair, but I really hope that you guys found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel so you can see more easy hair tutorials. But thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you soon. Bye.